Can you? You can. Oh my goodness. You can hear me and see me at the same time. Reasonable frame rate to exposure time ratio, I guess. What's with my hair? Oh my goodness. We can either have like light and like brightness, or we can have no brightness but frame rate. Which one do we prefer? That's the question. And why am I yapping? I don't know, but Tux. Supper. No, I need to drink. Oh, I have a non-empty bottle. See? See? See the stars above the sky. Oh no. Room revealed. Cannot remove the cup. Cup? Alright. Let's try again. Maybe Python is not the best. Oh! What did I just do on the ramp? I mean, that was called going up on the ramp, right? No, I don't feel comfy. Chair. Chair is shitty chair. Because now the chair is not shitty. I'm just shitty at adjusting it correctly. And also, is that a picture of the shifting sense track? It is. Oh my goodness. Who followed? Technohawk, thanks for the welcome. Hi! Hi! How's it going, bruh? Oh shit. Just, I'm glad to hear that. This is not like a regular stream I normally do, so like... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? I am playing nicely, I know, right? No? Kong, of course, who else? I mean, Kong is kinda just my to-go, like, fallback choice. Car is too low. Does that matter on this track? Like, how is that the height of the car element? I want to learn, explain. This car is so good. Was. What do you mean was? It still is. Oh shit. Hoodie is awesome, thanks. I have the hoodie on because... And yeah, I know I shouldn't look down on the keyboard, but like... all the keys feel the same, I don't know what I'm pressing. Thanks, it is such a conversation we are having right now. PFA look pretty awesome. Thank you. I drew it myself and I'm not interested in commissions and I won't... yeah, anyway, sorry. Haven't I... Wait a minute. Okay. True, nice, thanks. I mean, it's not entirely my own drawing because, I mean, it is kinda, but like, I took basically a free ref sheet base and like, kinda copied the roughly like the outlines from there, but then like I kinda also adjusted it on paper according to my resonances, so it is kinda my drawing, but like it was kickstarted by someone else's drawing. I don't know if that makes sense. Your OC, it is my OC, yeah. I see where this is going. but I'm just let it slide. I know you also like to draw arts. I know you are probably a scammer who is going to ask for my Discord tag or something like that, but anyway, I would like to see some of your art. I would. Tim. I have a Discord server that you can find the invite link to in the channel about page, so yeah, feel free to join my Discord. You can find the link in the channel description. You can join and you can share your beautiful original artwork there. Checking your account created today. Take this bitch. So back to the game. Scammer got hacked. That's something new. You have a social medias. I mean, you could work on your English a bit, but you can feel free to post your socials here in this chat. You don't even need to go to Discord. Just paste your username here. I want to see some truly quality AI generated artwork, like for years. Your Twitter, awesome. Just tell your Twitter name here, right here in this chat. Just write your Twitter username. I mean, you can't paste the link because those are blocked, but I want to see your stuff. Yeah, I follow you. Of course I follow you. Why wouldn't I follow you? Like someone like you, that's all I want in my life, basically. I don't have a Twitter account. I don't actually have a Twitter account. I just follow you with my sheer existence. Go on, check it. As I said, I don't even have a Twitter account. I was lying. I'm just scamming you. Yes, I hit you a follow request. With no Twitter account. Imagine that. You can share your work. Send your friend request on Discord. You know what? I'm going to. Oh no, I already banned you. Oh no, sorry, I can't send you a friend request anymore. Oh no. Okay. I'm playing. You have such a beautiful brain capacity to realize that I have realized that you are not a real user. I want to follow you. Okay. I'm so sad. The scammer is not following me anymore. Hi Maxi, in the meantime, I love you. What's up Maxi, by the way? Just a normal David, just a normal scammer bot AI fucking shit streamer, I know, right? Sorry, I'm kinda losing it. Yes. Yeah, babe. Babe. I don't know what I'm doing. Office? Can I go into the office? Is the principal's office? No. I'm going to the principal, you are freaking scamming me. Okay, no. Yeah, no. Not making funny sounds on stream. Especially with the camera on, oh my goodness. Am I still in frame, by the way? Am I in... How big the frame? I don't care about the time. I am. I know. I mean, I do have the preview open. Which is also like contributing a bit to my ADHD. Because like moving... And that doesn't help concentrating on the thing that I should actually concentrate on. Also, oh yeah, by the way. Since Max is here, you know what is going to happen? Definitely not Maxi. Is this track even doable on time without cutting the shortcut?